We're welding 2 7/8 pipe. We're welding spades onto 2 7/8 pipe for grape end posts. It's all used pipe, and we're having very good luck with the consumables. We're running 045 dual shield wire, and it's doing a great job with it. We're running about a roll a day per machine. We've gone from buying about 50 to 75 tips a week to about 1 tip per welder per week. We're getting about 7 to 15 rolls depending on the welder. When we first saw the Spraymaster setup, we were very worried about windy conditions. All of our stuff is outside in the elements, and with the old style Tweco setups, we were having wind issues, a lot of porosity and whatnot. The new style, there's no issues with wind to speak of. We've welded in like 15-mile-an-hour wind and had good luck with it. The splatter out of the nozzles removes a lot easier than the old style. It's a lot more user-friendly. We don't have the thread issues with the tips and them stripping the threads with slag in it and whatnot, and it's really been very successful. We've been testing them since November, so it's almost a year now, and have had no real issues with the product. I've been welding for right at 30 years. We're a portable service. Most of our stuff is all portable, and we've done everything from food processing to oil field work, drilling rigs, chased a lot of drilling rigs and whatnot, and a lot of agricultural welding. When I first saw this gun for our applications being outdoors, I thought that the cone, the nozzle, was too big. We've been running tapered tips with tapered nozzles, and I really thought we would have problems with this, and we did not have any problems at all. The other problem I thought there would be is that there's no diffuser to hold the liner in position. We've had no problems with that. It's very user friendly. That's all the parts you have to it. I think it is great that there's no threaded parts, nothing for slag to get into. We had a lot of problems with guys screwing tips in with slag, stripping them, having changed diffusers all the time, and they're in a hurry. They're paid by the piece, and so they don't take the time to clean everything like a normal guy would, and we've eliminated all that problem. We're using about a tip per welder every 2 weeks. We really like the trigger. I bought a gun just before we got this test in, and everybody complained about it being heavier, and their hands would go to sleep holding the trigger. These guns, they've had no complaints about the way they feel. It's all they want to use. I'm changing every setup I have to this gun as soon as it comes out. It's the cheapest consumables I've found because they last so long.